In this video, I am going to explain the parallel grouping of cells. Consider two cells of EMF E1 and E2 and their internal resistance R1 and R2. Are connected in parallel. That I is the current flowing through the circuit. I is the current flowing through the circuit. Now apply Kirchhoff's loop rule to the loop ACDB FEA. So our path is clockwise path. Our path is clockwise path. So after start from A, first cross the cell of EMF E1 from higher potential to lower potential. So we found potential drop across the cell of EMF E1. So minus E1. Next, while crossing the resistor of resistance small r1, current is opposite to our path. So we observe potential rise. Next, while crossing the cell of internal resistance R2, we observe potential rise again. Next, while crossing the cell of EMF E2, observe the potential rise is equal to 0. So I is equal to I of R1 plus R2 is equal to E1 minus E2. I is equal to E1 minus E2 by R1 plus R2. Now we want to find the potential difference between A and B. So VAB is equal to, since the cells are parallel, the potential difference across both cells is same. So VAB is equal to, when the cell is discharging, the formula is E minus IR. So this cell is in discharging state and this cell is in charging state. Therefore, apply discharging formula for first cell of EMF E1, then E1 minus IR1. This is equal to E1 minus I is E1 minus E2 by R1 plus R2 into R1. What is LCM? R1 plus R2 is LCM. So E1 R1 plus E1 R2 minus E1 R1 minus of minus plus E2 R1. E1 R1 minus E1 R1 gets cancelled when potential difference across the terminals of any one of the cell is E1 R2 plus E2 R1 by R1 plus R2. That is the potential difference across the terminal of any cell, and R equivalent is equal to, since the cells are connected in parallel, their internal resistances are also in parallel. Therefore, R equivalent is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. From the formula, 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Suppose if the cell is wrongly connected, if one cell is wrongly connected, VAB is equal to, that is potential difference across the terminal of any cell is equal to E1 R2 minus E2 R1 divided by R1 plus R2. This wrongly connection does not affect the effective internal resistance. Therefore, VAB, potential difference across the terminals of any cell, is equal to E1 R2 minus E2 R1 by R1 plus R2. This is also called effective EMF or equivalent EMF in parallel grouping, is equal to E1 R2 minus E2 R1 by R1 plus R2 when the cells are wrongly connected, and when the cells are rightly connected, then potential difference across the terminals of the cell are E equivalent is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 divided by R1 plus R2. Now, let us take n identical cells. Identical cells means their EMF are same and the internal resistance is also same. Now, n identical cells are connected in parallel . Then E equivalent is equal to E. We have seen that when two cells of different EMFs are connected in parallel, E equivalent is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 by R1 plus R2. Substitute E1 is equal to E2 and R1 is equal to R2. We found that E equivalent is E. So E equivalent in parallel grouping is equal to EMF of the one cell, and R equivalent is equal to R by N. when R resistances, when n resistances, each of resistance small r are connected in parallel, effective resistance is R by N. R by N. Now, this combination is connected to an external resistance R, then I is equal to effective EMF E by effective resistance capital R plus R by N. R by N is the effective resistance of N small resistances connected in parallel, and to this combination this is connected in series. Therefore, effective resistance of circuit is R plus R by N. This is current in parallel grouping. Okay. Now compare the parallel grouping and series grouping. In series grouping, I is equal to N by R plus NR. This is current in series grouping. Current in parallel grouping is E by R plus R by N. Now, which combination is better for getting maximum current? In series combination, current is NA by R plus NR. If R is much smaller than effective internal resistance, external resistance is much smaller than effective internal resistance, then R can be neglected from the series formula. IS is equal to NE by this capital R can be neglected, N small r, and then gets cancelled. This is equal to E by R. So, if the external load is much smaller than the effective internal resistance, current in the series combination is equivalent to current delivered by a single cell. Whereas in parallel combination,